Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. So, if you've just bought a Canon PIXMA MG3600 and you're sitting there wondering, okay, how on earth do I connect this thing to Wi-Fi? Don't worry, a lot of people get stuck at this part, and honestly, it can look a little confusing the first time. But the good news is, it's actually super simple once you know the right steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can get your Canon printer connected to Wi-Fi and start printing from your phone or computer in just a few minutes. Alright, let's jump right in and get you set up. First things first, make sure your smartphone or computer is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now, open up your App Store and search for the type in the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. Once you see it, go ahead and hit install. While the app is downloading, let's move over to your printer and turn it on. Now, press and hold the Wi-Fi button until the power button starts blinking. Next, hit the color button once. Then, press the Wi-Fi button one more time. You'll see its light start blinking again. That means it's ready to connect. Alright, now switch back to your phone and open your Wi-Fi settings. Give it a second to search for nearby devices. When you see your printer pop up in the list, just tap on it to connect. Once you're connected, open up the Canon Print app. You'll see a license agreement. Go ahead and tap on Agree. Next, you'll get some service information. Just read through it quickly and tap on Agree. Note, ensure the app has permission to access the setting it requests. When a pop-up says Search for available printer, just tap on Yes. Wait for a few seconds and you'll land on the Select Wireless Router page. From here, choose your Wi-Fi network from the list. Type in your Wi-Fi password and tap on OK. If you see a pop-up that says Settings information has been sent, just tap on OK. Now, wait for a moment while your printer shows up on the Register Printer page. Once it appears, tap on the printer to select it. And finally, give it a few seconds while the app acquires your printer's information. And that's it. You're all set. Your Canon printer is now connected and ready to go. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.